the subscription box for kids who love to sew. I am Jess, your instructor for the classes, and I want you to know how excited I am to be your teacher. Together, we are going to have a ton of fun making projects from start to finish. But first, can you all do the Thready pledge with me? I want you to shout it out by repeating after me. I, tell me your name, take the Thready pledge and promise to keep my workspace nice and clean, sit up straight while I'm at my machine, eyes on the needle and don't look away, keep my hands far from the needle, don't you sway, take my time, no need to rush. Having fun is now a must. Students, I want you to also remember that it's okay for your project to not turn out absolutely perfect. You are learning, and the more you practice, the better you'll become at sewing. Sometimes you may need one of these. Do you know what this is called? It's a seam ripper. And sometimes when our sewing gets a little wonky, you may want to go back and fix it. But I don't want you to be down on yourself. I've been sewing for years and I still have to go back and pick out a seam and start over. It's perfectly okay to not be perfect. So, with all of this being said, are you ready? Let's ready, set, sew. Here we go.